channel. It looks like that tree's gonna fall on the road sooner or later. Hopefully later. Welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel on March the 19th. We're gonna do some roadside attraction. I was gonna broke them down into 1, 2, and 3, but maybe 4. But I figured, you know what? They all were pretty much local in Cartersville, and so I'll do that. So let's do some roadside attraction and go into Cartersville on 50.9 degrees. Yep. I'll show you when we get there. Alrighty, folks, welcome to Cartersville, home of yeah, well, there's a lot of people who live here. It's home of a lot of people. Cartersville, Georgia. It's all gonna be one stop, but two different roadside attractions. The first one is the I guess we'll figure out where we're gonna park at if we can get into town. Alright, folks, here we are again. Downtown Cartersville, historic downtown Cartersville. Yep. A lot of people out. When gas price is so high, you wouldn't think that many people be out. Alright, first one is the Coca-Cola. World's first wall painting Coca-Cola sign, I guess the way you would say it. All of it's right up here next light. If we make it through it, dang it, out downtown. So if we can get a parking place, right in here is where we want to be. There's one. We just squeeze in there. I'm gonna park right here. She can park on the other side. So 1881, this young brother pharmacist painted this sign, a wall. It's been painted about 25 different times, and it's in 1994 it was established back to its original form. The first painted wall sign. Great, train coming. You can read it. Anyway, this sign, it says restored in 1989. According to the book thing, it said 1994. Maybe they got the 1894 and all. Anyway, there you go. It's the first painted wall sign advertising Coca-Cola products. Choo-choo. There you go, drink Coca-Cola, made with cocaine. Yeah, buddy. I don't know what you can hear, but here's the next roadside attraction. A tribute monument for Marker A. Cooper, proprietary of Etowah. He was, this monument's for his creditors. First, world's only monument to creditors. Now as you can hear the trains going by. It was 1890, right before the Civil War. He erected this monument where he borrowed money so he could stay rich. Yep, that's what it says. Now I gotta get back across the road. Yep. It's got his names on it, but you can't read none of them. 1890. So, it's downtown Cartersville. Let's get back across the road. We in Cartersville. I mean, hipsters. You good? Go ahead. Coca-Cola sign. You can go in that Young Brothers thing and see more Coca-Cola memorabilia. Alabama DS. You ain't called Alabama DS no more. You Jared something, ain't you? So we gotta mosey on around through here and find our way out. There's another roadside attraction called the Booth Western Museum here in Cartersville, and we ain't going to yet. But they got the world's largest Western stuff, I guess. But it's in the roadside attraction thing website, Roadside America. There's another roadside attraction up here in Cartersville, and it's the world's largest camel herd. And yep, that's what I said, the world's largest camel herd. Now, how can, if Australia's got more camels in Australia, how can this be the world's largest herd? Maybe it's the world's largest in Georgia. I don't know. That's what they say. It's on the roadside attraction. Yep. So our next one is the world's largest hood ornament. It's a new attraction. It's just been added this year or last year, end of last year, and it's up here at Savors. Anyway, it's a new museum for cars, which we ain't going in. You can check out Adventure to Moon Man. He went in it, a bunch of classic cars and stuff. But when they broke ground up here, they found a covered 1954 or something Plymouth Savoy, whatever. It's a Savoy, something like that. S-A-V-O-R or S-A-V-O-Y. There in a minute. I'm just gonna find this roadside attraction deal. I see it. It's a big chrome, world's largest. And oh, you can't get to it. You gotta walk up to it. Well, dang. There it is over there. It costs you $15 to go in this museum, but we don't want to go into it today. Maybe you can't. Park out here on the sidewalk. Right on the side of the road, take a picture of it. But that's what we're going to, check out the world's largest. I think what we want to do is just turn around and park on the side of the street, let you see it, and then we can go on, right? I'm going to park right down here and see if I can't get a picture with it. Probably walk up there to it. I don't see no sign that says no parking, do you? Me neither. And I'm going to park right here so I can get a picture with it. See if I can. That looks good. S-A-V, Savoy Automobile Museum. Let me get a picture, but this is that's a world's largest hood ornament. Art Deco woman with her hair blowing back, her skirt and all. Something felt like something bit me, like a bee or something. Itchy. Let me get a picture and then we'll go on to our next roadside attraction. So there you have it, world's largest herd, I can't even talk, hood ornament. You could walk up there and look at the front of it, but oh well. That's all I wanted to do. Alright folks, we're going to close it out now. It's warmed up to 59 degrees, but man, it's windy. It is windy. Blow you all over the road, man. So we're going to stop down here at Southern Devil Harley-Davidson dealership here in Cartersville, Georgia. Hope you enjoyed a little roadside attraction. But if you would, check out that video there and that one. Hit like, share, and subscribe. It's free. And we'll catch you on the next road adventure.